EZClicker sent me a red remote of theirs. I've looked at a couple of their remotes before, so I think I should be able to figure this one out as well. The only difference is the color, and I will say the color varieties is one that I think is pretty great about what they offer. So these instructions are pretty basic. In fact, these are actually a little different, I feel like, from ones that I've looked at in the past. Does it talk about how to pair? Maybe this one is more easily pairable. I'm going to get batteries in it very quickly, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there are the batteries in there. And the thing with the EZClickers is they don't have a lot of buttons on them. It's pretty basic input, such as volume channel, directional input, home, and I believe previous, as well as a mute and power button. So the last couple you've had to program these. So let me get this on. I'll turn the TV on. And the way that you get these working, I mean, let's see if this is the same as previous ones, but you hold the mute and the plus button for a couple seconds together and it should flash red. Maybe. Oh, there it was for a sec. Okay, well, it stops flashing for a second. Let me check the instructions again. Okay, so I thought that this would work with older TVs, but I guess this one is mainly for smart TVs. So I'm gonna go to my smart TV and we'll try it out there. So I got my big old TV in my very messy room, but let's see if just pushing power does anything. Doesn't look like that did too much. Okay, so I think this TV is actually compatible. My other one was a Samsung, but I don't think it was on the list of supported TVs. Actually, no, wait, it was a Vizio. That makes sense. So, as you see, there's the volume working. Hitting the home button shows the home. My mom's watching a show, but reverse and changing the channel will work. So, yeah, didn't need to change or pair it at all. So that was pretty nice. With it being a smart TV though, I think it is good to keep in mind that the functionality is still limited with this. So again, just something to keep in mind. But yeah, no need to pair, and it's a nice looking remote.